Hello everybody, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve. Hello little kitties, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve. Today I am going to teach you how to count to 20. In episode 2, we learned how to count from 1 to 10. Now, in episode 4, we're going to learn how to count from 11 to 20. First, we're going to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, my little kitties, now we're going to count from 11 to 20. Please count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are going to see some examples next to these numbers. There are 11 beach balls. There are 12 cats. There are 13 dogs. There are 14 dolls. There are 15 ice creams. There are 16 pieces of candy. There are 17 action figures. There are 18 footballs. There are 19 toy cars. There are 20 birthday cakes. That was so fun! I hope you enjoyed the learning curve. I am Oliver the Cat saying, meow, my little kitties.